What is up, guys? I'm back with a very special video. As you guys can see in the title down below, we do got a very special shoe in house today with this beautiful New Balance box. I'm sure you guys already know. If I open this up, we got the 2002 Rs in the tan colorway. Without further ado, hit me up on Instagram at PTYY16. If you guys need help with any questions, have any questions about the video, and just show some love over there, guys. Without further ado, guys, please don't hate, none of that. We're only here for, love and positivity. I hope you guys have an amazing day today. Remember that the giant in front of you is never bigger than the God inside of you. Always keep yourself first, God first, and always make sure to push forward and give back, guys. Without further ado, let's get into it. Let's get into this beautiful shoe, man. Honestly, I talk about these shoes a lot. If you guys watch my videos, I am so big on New Balance Protection Pack 2002 Rs, especially just because they have this deconstructed look like this as well too, but they also have a more of a clean look. But these with the rain clouds and so many different colorways that they do have, you got this black sole, so the longevity in the shoe is so nice. These are from my wide foot brothers, man. So if you guys are wide footed, these are the shoe to go to. And by the way, guys, anything that is typically wide-footed is what makes the shoe so comfortable. Naturally, we're supposed to be in more of a wide-footed shoe because of our feet, how they are built. So they're a lot more comfortable. That's why people go crazy over Crocs, Yeezy Slide, 350 V2s, because they are wide-footed. So these are wide-footed as well. They're so comfortable. You can even see by the toe box how soft and plush the toe box is. That signature New Balance end right there with these nice corded laces. That beautiful deconstructed tongue, as you guys can see, that is so soft on the inside. And this right here, guys, this padding feels like a cloud. You guys can already see the breathable sole right there too. There's so much space to fit your foot into when you go in. You guys can already see how much space there is when you fit your foot in. And the shoe just in general, I love the heel tap, very hard heel tap on the back, but kind of guided by this soft memory foam and the nice deconstructed type suede, but it is beautiful. All around, this shoe is just gorgeous from the end on the outside. That deconstructed mesh over here too, with that beautiful 2002 R on the side right there, guys. My bad, let it focus. 2002 on the R right there, guys, too. And a nice padding with those kind of gel foam areas that keep it nice and padded, guys. Beautiful shoe, man. I cannot get enough of these kicks. They are so clean, and I recommend them as like a nice workout shoe, an everyday shoe. They're just so versatile, guys. Without further ado, let's get a second pair. Pretty simplistic, as you guys can see. Nothing too crazy. Without further ado, guys, let's get into the up foot and the on close. Let me know what you guys think of these down below. If it is a cop or it is a drop. If you guys are copping or dropping them, I love you guys so much, and let's get into it.
Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look. Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement, then we can just, while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Shorty to fly, though, that's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana, and she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can just, while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl. pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my ends, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause the pussy too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. Pussy too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you wanna. Yeah. Just keep giving me love. Oh, just keep giving me love.